Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do aggressive shake effect on CapCut PC. Alright guys, here I have opened my CapCut application on my PC, and here I have created a project on my CapCut PC. And if you want to do the aggressive shakes effect, the first thing we're going to do is clicking on the effect option, because we want to add effect. We can tap on the video effect, and then we're going to tap on the nightclub category. Okay, and here you can select the shake effect that you want to use, and you can scroll down until you find the shake effect, this one. Tap on the shake effect, and we can drag this effect to the video. Okay, and now the effect has been applied to this video, and we can adjust the effect. You can adjust the strength and also the speed. If we want to make it aggressive, we can increase the strength. We can drag it to the right like this, and the speed as well. Okay, and now let's just take a look at the result. I'm going to play the video. Okay, and this is the result, guys. And alright guys, that's how we can do aggressive shake effect on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.